Hello, my beautiful Taurus. I am Shupana Banerjee from Magical Healing Art. Today I came over here to see your next 7 days, October 1st to October 7, how it will go. Okay, मैं देखूंगी कि आपका next 7 day कैसा जाएगा, October 1st to October 7th. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेक ऑल द कार्ड्स एंड आई विल सी इफ़ देयर विल, अगर आपका कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगा तो फिर मैं डिफरेंट कार्ड्स लूँगी. मैं आपका जो एनर्जी है उसका कार्ड लूँगी, एनर्जी कार्ड, ओराकल कार्ड, देन मैं एंसेस्टर्स का और यूनिवर्स का, आपके एंसेस्टर्स क्या बोलते हैं वो, यूनिवर्स क्या बोल रहे हैं वो, और आपके एंजल्स क्या बोल रहे हैं वो भी मैं देखूँगी. ठीक है. फर्स्ट आई विल टेक द टैरेट कार्ड. ओके. को एनर्जी क्या बोलते हैं वो मैं, व्हाट इज़ योर एनर्जी इज विल बी देयर 1 to 7th of October. I am taking those. Okay, 7 cards. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं पहले सभी कार्ड्स को निकाल लूँगी, उसके बाद मैं देखूँगी कि क्या आया है. ठीक है. कम्युनोलॉजी क्या बोलते हैं वो भी मैं देखूँगी. आपको अगर ये रीडिंग अच्छा लगता है तो हिट द लाइक बटन एंड subscribe my channel. Okay, then I will bring new topics also. This will be for your from your ancestors. Okay. Messages from universe. This is for your health. Archangel, from Archangel Raphael. Okay. Then I'll take the Lenormand also. Okay. 1st of October for Taurus. Okay. Let's see. Wow, King of Wand. Okay. So you have to be, you are little bit of what is showing that you are little bit means you don't bother anything. Okay, it's showing like that. It's I'm thinking just the intuition is coming that you don't bother anything. You should, whatever you are thinking, that is right. Others are telling that is not right, and you are thinking like that way. Okay, but that is not exactly true. You should listen to others also. It's showing next is Magician and the Mirror. Okay, I'll clarify what is coming in that, because this card is new for me. Next I'll see your commitment is being tested. So if you are doing some commitment, okay, you have to be very careful. Okay, don't do empty commitment. Okay, if you do something, there should be some base in that. Okay, so they are trying to tell. Okay, and if you are doing something, you should have the courage to do that. Don't do empty things. Okay, empty commitments. Okay, so they are trying to tell that you should have the courage. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. If you have some fear also, okay, if you have some fear, you should face that one. They are trying to tell. Okay, they are trying to tell you should have the hope for miracles. Okay, the miracle can happen, you should have the hope for that. Okay, then they are trying to tell that you should be very uh, loyal. When you are doing something, you should be very loyal and truthful. Okay, loyal and truthful. Okay, they are trying to tell. And then they are trying to tell that Archangel Raphael is trying to tell inner authority. uh, Dear Archangel Raphael, they are trying to tell, give you the message that, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for supporting me as I take back my power and listen to my intuition, desire and feelings. So they are trying to tell you that you have to believe yourself. Okay, if there will be something that you should not do any empty things. They are trying to tell. For that reason, if you want to take it back your power also, you should do that. Not to do any commitment without thinking. Okay, they are trying to tell. Okay, now I will see this one. So they are trying to tell that this card is telling that you should know You should know to use your true power. Okay, you have power but you are misusing that. That is not good. Okay, so and if you are having power, you are telling to everyone, okay, I will do this, I will do that. There should be some base. Okay, there should be some solid thing inside that. So not to tell or not to promise something which you cannot do. Okay, so they are trying to tell that. And they're trying to tell that you are the magician, you can do that, you will have the all powers, but don't misuse. Okay, they're trying to tell don't misuse that power. Okay, okay, next is 2nd of October. Let me see what is there. Wow, that is fulfillment. There will be the fulfillment, but they are telling that you will have some sadness also in that time. Maybe you you actually you were missing someone. Okay, uh, you are missing someone. Okay, they are trying to tell you, or you will have the broken heart, but in family there will be happiness, but in that happiness also you will feel some emptiness also in that day. So they are trying to tell that you are go outside and try to spend your time in nature, with nature. Okay, and with your family also that day. Maybe you can take your family outside and spend time in nature. Okay, and they are trying to tell there will be success. Don't no need to be worried about that. Okay, there will be success, and they are trying to tell, I know that there is no a greater goal than to love. Okay, so love everyone. Okay, they are trying to tell. Then they are next they are trying to tell that joy is ultimate creator. Okay, you should be happy. Maybe you are missing someone, maybe you are feeling emptiness, but you should be happy that other persons are there to whom you cannot ignore. Okay, you should not ignore them. Okay, your good fortune is coming. You can have the little happiness with your family members, with your friends. Okay, so they are trying to tell, and then they are trying to tell that the Archangel Raphael card has come, that Jesus and divine healer. Okay, if you are having the sadness also, the you can call Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael will heal you. They will be Archangel Raphael will be with you, and they are trying to tell that the prayer that dear Jesus, thank you for your divine healing power and presence in my life. Okay, then 3rd of October is 7 of Cups has come. That means you will think about your finance and all those things. You will be dreaming. Okay, you will be dreaming, or means it is coming that you will feel, you will think, what will I do, what will I not do in future, and all these things you will think. Okay, in about your future and about your presence, what you are doing, all these things you will see. They're trying to tell, look the bigger picture, what is with you, whatever you have to be happy with that. Okay, no need to just focus on unnecessary things which you will which you cannot achieve immediately. So whatever is with you, you have to be happy with that. Okay, happiness, yes, look at this, they're trying to tell happiness. I'm aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. You should be happy. Okay, you should not think too many things in your life. Okay, whatever is there, you should happy with that. Okay, then they are trying to tell when I am when I am in love. Okay, the universe peace cannot be disrupted. Okay, so they are trying to tell that you will have everything, you will have everything. Okay, so you have to be happy in that, happy with that. Okay, then what is coming next? Maybe you will get some letter in that day, some message, some text message, or some email. Okay, or some letter you can get. Okay, and they're trying to tell that do more research. Okay, if you have something, um, you will get something. Do more research. You should not think that, okay, they are writing something like that, so I will be unhappy. No, not like that. You should think, you should be do more research about that. You should ask someone that why they are writing like that way. Okay, so they're trying to tell that believe on God, believe on the angels, higher self. Okay, this is the, okay, I have to see this adjacent problem. Okay, let me see. I think some different doors will open, or you are thinking about the different opportunities in that day. Let me see what is coming. Oh, yes. You are thinking about many options. Okay, that's why that Seven of Cups has come. You are thinking that too many options. Okay, don't think. Focus on something. Okay, don't think too much. Okay, they're trying to tell that. Okay, now 4th of October. Okay, what has come? Okay, Knight of Wand. Okay, that has come. Something is coming very fast in your life. Let me see what is coming and what the message is coming. They're trying to tell that time to give rather than take. You have to give something to others, not every time taking. Not every time taking. You have to give also something to others. Okay, if you give something, the something universe will send you something. Okay, so that's why they're trying to tell, if you give something to someone, okay, the abundance, the universe, your ancestors are trying to tell you, you will get the abundance. Okay, so I am they're trying to tell, I am a timeless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Okay, so abundance are coming. If you are giving, give and take relationship, right, in this universe, whatever you will give, that will come in threefold. Okay, to you. So every time try to give others. Okay, and be happy with that. Not that I don't want but I have to give. No, whenever you are giving something from your heart. Okay, okay, they are trying to tell, there is a stream of love supporting my dreams. There will be some uh, your loved one will give you support. Okay, to your dream comes true. So they're trying to tell that your loved ones are with you only. Okay, believe on your parents and take care of your parents. They are trying to tell, take care of your show you care for them. Okay, they're trying to tell. Then they are trying to tell that somebody will come in that day. Okay, the energy has come, somebody will come. Maybe the man figure, somebody will meet with you, maybe your friends or family, maybe somebody will come, which through you will get some opportunity, maybe abundance are coming. Okay, number 50, let me see. they are trying to tell you will have maybe that the miraculous transformation. Okay, so you have to believe on God and Goddess and on your universe. Okay, so they will be with you. Very caring things, very caring person maybe come. Okay, who will help you, or that person can help you in your progress in your life. Okay, that is the 4th of October. Okay, 5th of October, let me see. Okay, Queen of Swords. Okay, it's time to take an action. It's trying to tell, okay, you should take the action. Okay, your ancestor also telling, your higher selves are also telling that you should have some you should take some action. Okay, it is time to take the action. Okay, and it's showing that I am empathy. Okay, I am open to seeing both sides of the situation. So you can see properly and trying to this is the time to take the action. Okay, see properly and then take the action, they're trying to tell. Okay, uh, and they're trying to tell that you should choose the love no matter what. Okay, maybe you can go somewhere in that day. There will be journey. They're trying to show that maybe you can go somewhere. Okay, um, and they're trying to tell that maybe there is some addiction or something can be there, which you have to release those. Okay, detach from those things. Okay, and then they are trying to tell that have the you have to decide something which is like a very strong, you have to take the action, very strong action. Okay, which will change your life. Okay, they're trying to tell that. Okay, now next is 6th of October. What is coming next? Let me see. Oh wow, Ace of Pentacles has come. Okay, maybe some opportunity can come, that your new door can open. You can see maybe financially you will grow. Okay, that day. Maybe earlier they are showing that some opportunity will come. Okay, maybe somebody will come who can help you. Okay, yeah, community, maybe you will meet with someone who can help you. Okay, and maybe there will be some party or something will be there. Okay, and they're trying to tell that you have to have the adjustment. You maybe cannot do adjustment, you have to have the adjustment with others. Okay, they're trying to tell that. Then you have the gratitude as well. They're trying to tell that you have to have the gratitude whenever somebody is trying to help you. You should tell them this thank you. Okay, and they are trying to tell that I am thankful for this life and the opportunity that is that it present. Okay, and then universe are telling that I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. So believe and have a trust or have a faith on universe or your higher self. Okay, maybe you were going through some pain. Okay, but the Archangel Raphael is trying to tell you will recover from that pain. Maybe in past, okay, you got some pain. Okay, that will release, and Archangel Raphael is trying to tell you that that I'll be with you. Okay, no need to have the sadness. I will be with you, and you will recover. Okay. And they are trying to tell that, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for holding my hand throughout my recovery upon the path of radiant health. Okay. So this is the 6th, and now 7th. Okay, they are trying to tell you cannot see over here. Your eyes are closed. Okay, you cannot see. You maybe have some attachment. You have to release that. Maybe you have some attachment. You have to release those attachment from your life, because if you have attachment, you cannot grow, because you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, they are trying to tell you are very close to achieving your goal. So if there is any attachment, you have to release that attachment. Okay, and then you can go through. Okay, and you should have the honesty. You should be honest. Okay. And they're trying to tell that I cannot always expect the truth from others, but I can expect from myself. So you have to trust on you. Okay, trust on you. And that is from that message has come from your ancestors. Okay. So they are trying to tell, when I lean towards love, I am led. So you will be leader if you are towards the love. Okay, so trust on love, trust and trust yourself. Okay. And they are trying to tell, don't skip your food. You should have you should consult with your doctor. Okay, nutritionist, because they are trying to tell to eat the good food, and I think maybe organic food will be good for you. Okay. And they're trying to tell that there will be something which you have to remove. Okay, remove from your life. Okay, which is bothering you. Okay. Okay, then Taurus, this is for your 1st to 7th of October. Okay, if you like my reading, please give me like and thumbs up, and subscribe my channel. If you are subscribing, then I will bring a new topics. Okay, and then that will give me the encouragement. Okay, so stay with me. Okay, thank you.